welcome to our channel. Don't forget to smash that like button and smash that subscribe button. Now, we're making pancakes today, so this is what you would need. Chocolate, which is optional, a frying pan, and a pancake shake, whatever flavor you want.
And we also need olive oil, and we need maple syrup, which is also optional, and a flipper to flip your pancake,
which is not optional.
No, you need that.
So we're going to put water into the bottle now, so let's do it. And we have to fill it with that.
Which is a little line on the bottom. Hey.
Wait, is that it?
Yes.
Really?
There.
You've got to fill it to the line.
I filled it a bit over.
That's alright, we can see.
Alright. Now that we've got our water in with our mixture, now all we need to do is shake it up.
Hey, and while she's doing that, I'm going to spray the pan. Thank you, my little chef. I've got to shake mine a bit too.
That's enough.
That might be a bit soggy, everyone.
Now
you got to get an adult to turn on the stove.
We're going to get Ellie's mom, Carrie, to do it.
We're going to put our pancake mix in now because they're hot enough.
Alright, so we shook it up to make sure there were no lumps and bumps, and then you pour it in.
Too big, too big.
And make a nice big pancake. Now Ellie's turn.
Big enough.
Nice big pancake. Now I'm waiting to get a new kitchen, hence the old yucky stove
Uncle
top.
Paul's gonna do it out. My uncle.
Alright, so what do you have to wait to see?
Bubbles!
So you got to wait till it all bubbles. So we will come back in just a moment. It's starting to slowly bubble. It's getting there. We've just got it on low heat.
Why?
So it cooks slowly. Ella's has been flipped.
Ow.
And Ellie is flipping hers with a little bit of trouble.
I can't do it.
So I'm just going to fix it up.
Now we're going to put some chocolate on top, which is optional. You don't have to.
But it tastes way better.
Chocolate on there. Oh, it stuck to my fingers. Here, get off. That should do it.
What do you do with the chocolate on your fingers?
Lick it.
Yum-o. Now Elsa's going to put some chocolate on top.
Get off me. Get on my pancake.
So the heat from underneath should melt the chocolate nicely on top.
I want water.
And we'll let that sit for a couple of minutes.
And Jessie's going to show my pancake.
Looks big.
Looking good.
So mine's ready, but I'm going to be safe and let Mummy go. So I'm going to be videoing right now. That's what you get it off.
Shooting a machine gun.
And then we make sure that we turn it off.
Sorry about that. That's my brother.
Mine's ready now, and I'll get mine off. Try to get it off. Success!
Well done. What do we do now?
Put maple syrup on it.
Sorry. First, Mum's gonna turn it off. And now,
The maple syrup.
Pat it.
That's a lot of maple syrup. But I'll just put a little on my pancake.
Just want some pancake? No, thanks. said you wanted some.
Show me the end result, guys.
Gooey goodness.
Ooh,
Yummy.
maple syrup and chocolate. Now for the taste test.
Let me.
Good?
Yeah, that's delicious. And don't forget to subscribe. Jessie, bye.
Bye.